You want to know how to rank on Google Maps or get ranked on Google. So I'm going to show you basically the 3 areas that you can rank on and how to rank for each of them. All right, so if I'm going to type in, let's say I'm looking for a coffee shop. So what people will often do is they'll type in near me. Okay, so I'm going to type in coffee shop near me. In this case, because I'm looking for a local business, the type of search result is going to be a little bit different than if my intent is to look for information. How do you rank for Google Map locations? There's a whole bunch of things you can fill out, like you can add photos, you can add specific services, you can add a description, you can add your hours, you can add special accommodations that you might have. There's all sorts of stuff that you can add. So Moz.com recently released a list of the top ranking factors for Google My Business. So here's the 2 things that I think are the most important. The first thing is your title. So I'm going to use my business as an example. So I'm going to type in web design near me. So here I get an advertisements here, and then come down here I get Bear City Impact. Okay, this is probably the worst title for Google Maps when it comes to web design, because nowhere in my business name says web design or video production or content strategy or photography or any of the other services that I offer. But because I offer multiple services, there's no way for me to put that in the name there. So if your business has your type of service in its name from a Google Map perspective, that's going to give you an advantage. So the second thing that I think is most important is going to be reviews. Reviews are something you can actively do all the time. Reviews play one of the most important roles in getting found. You notice my location here has 11 5-star reviews. So this 11 reviews is going to help me rank a little better than perhaps another web designer near me, wherever you are, that may only have 2 reviews or may only have 4 reviews. But it doesn't necessarily mean someone might have 25 reviews, but as a 4-star rating, they might rank better than me just because there's basically more engagement and more activity. To Google, that basically means there are more people interacting with that business more frequently than another business. If you have any other questions about website design or website optimization or help getting found online, I'm basically telling you to ask me. So just ask me a question, happy to answer it. Otherwise, I'm out.